Hi readers, I'm going to explain to you right now how to use your My Digital Reading Response Journal. So you are going to open up the document, and I made a copy for each one of you so that you can use it throughout the year to add your reading response writing. You're going to be responsible for completing 1 to 2 reading response journals per week. And so after you have read for your 20 minutes, you are going to think of some ideas to use for your paragraph. You're going to be writing a paragraph or more, it's up to you. Do not fill more than one slide with your reading response, so one reading response per slide. And I've included on this slide right here some ideas to help you generate your writing. And so there are some stems right here that you can use on this page, as well as an example paragraph from one of my favorite books called Because of Winn-Dixie. And over here are some really great questions that can help you think of ideas to write about. You can use several questions to spark your ideas in one piece of writing. And then this is your very first slide that you will be writing your reading response in. I've included some stems right here so that you can use these to start some of your sentences. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Books that you can use to write could be a chapter book from home. It could be chosen from my book library, our school library, and we will even use them when we start book clubs.